Yeah, I felt it was quite insightful, really informative. I felt like it allowed me to view service users in a different light, not just kind of like the alcoholics themselves, but kind of what implications that has on the young people that are going to be living with those alcoholics, and not just not just the present risk, but the ongoing risks and how they could affect them going on into adulthood as well. Probably just how it's not going to affect you just in that immediate sort of time in your life, how it's going to potentially have implications later on in your adulthood life as well, and what that's going to mean to you in terms of how you're going to be going into situations, how you're going to be potentially with your own kids as well, and just the consequences later on in life. Just the fact that they've been through it. Do you know what I mean? I know a lot of people on these kind of presentations would have gone through it, but the fact that they're up there together as sisters as well, it just shows again in social work how we always talk about sort of the child and the system in which they're located. So in that moment they obviously had one another to bounce off each other, and then on the flip side it allows you to recognise that if they potentially didn't have one each other to bounce off each other, then how different would it have been for them and their kids as well. The ongoing needs, in terms of you might be able to deal with something, it might just be a snapshot in time that your parents might have, I don't know, be engaging with alcohol, or to the extent where it's taken over their lives, but how much of an effect that's going to have on you like later on in adulthood. And if you don't have things addressed in your youth, the implications that can have when you get older if you just don't address them issues straight away. Say that overall it was quick, it was fast-paced as it should be, because we needed it like that. But at the same time, I felt like it was reflective enough that we were able to take something from this going forward into practice. Yeah, I definitely would. I feel like it was this whole social work course we're doing, it's allowed us as like social work or prospective social workers to bring out our own vulnerabilities, and it's really insightful when you have a speaker like Joe and you have a sister as well, and they can be really reflective, and that allows it to be a lot more interpersonal as opposed to just someone just reading off loads of research and not really making it that personal to you.